Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about the SA8010. It's a keycap set that I've had my eye on since its interest check first started over at Keycap, and I gotta say, everything about this one is a must buy for me. I only wish it was an MT3 or cap profile, as those would have probably worked just as well, but you'll see why they chose SA profile as we get into what inspired this set. So this set is not only inspired by a sort of ancient keyboard called the Decision Data 8010, it's also essentially a direct recreation of it. So let's take a look at the original, and then let's take a look at the design render for this new keycap set. As you can see, it uses an odd non-standard positioning of the number pad as a sub-legend for the right half of the alpha keys, and you can see that in black on the right side. It also completely reorders almost all of the most commonly used symbols that you have on a 60%. At first glance, this may confuse or confound, but if you're a touch typist and don't really care about the sub-legend placement too much, this really won't be an issue, especially considering how unique and true to its origins the design is. I personally also love this colorway. I'm a big fan of any bluish greens or greenish blues and anything white on black, so this is a great combination of my two favorite styles. I was hoping for some turquoise or forest green modifiers for my white on black MT3 set, but seeing as how that probably won't happen soon, this will definitely fill that void for now. Awesome design, cool backstory, and hopefully a great set once it ships. See you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.